प्रकृति है बहुत गोल, देती हमें चीजें अनमोल। प्रकृति के पेड़ ख्याल हमारा रखते हैं, पर कभी कभी हम उनका साथ तोड़ देते हैं। प्रकृति के बादल करते हैं वर्षा और देते हमें झरने, तालाब और पानी। प्रकृति के पक्षियों की आवाज सुनकर हम भी बोलते हैं अमृतवाणी। क्यों हम कर रहे हैं इस प्रकृति का नाश और लोग काट रहे हैं जंगल जैसे कि पलाश। तो इस प्रकृति को बचाओ और अपने जन्मदिन पर एक ना एक पेड़ जरूर लगाओ। Good morning everyone. I am Trisha Supare from Kendra Vidyalaya NDA Pune. Today we are in Baudhan. So this is my neighborhood. Today we will go on a nature walk. So first we will see some creepers. So this is pumpkin plant. It is a creeper. It can be sown on summer and rainy season but not on winter season. So this is the leaves of pumpkin. You can see that these leaves are lenticulous leaves. This is the mid vein and these are the side veins emerging from it. Now we will see the fruit of pumpkin. So this is a small fruit of pumpkin. It grows in 3 to 4 months. Now we will see climbers. This is a bottle gourd plant. It is a climber. It also grows in summer and rainy season but not in winter season. And here in this plant and in pumpkin plant, pollination is done either manually or by insects like butterflies and other insects. But pollination has to be done. So here this plant can be grown from the bottle gourd is flowered at 3 to 4 months. So now we will see another shrub plant which is brinjal. So this is a brinjal plant. It is a shrub. It can be grown in any season and in any month. It provides fruit, but it is not compulsory that if the fruit is grown then another fruit will not come. It is an yearly plant, so the fruits will continue to be grown. Now we will see our herb plant which is spinach. This is our spinach plant. It is a herb and it can also grown in any season, any month. Main thing about brinjal and spinach is that yes, they require less water, but fertilizer and manure, especially organic manure, is mostly needed in both of these plants. So you can see that herbs are of small height, whereas shrubs are of longer height. These herbs are directly attached to the soil and mostly have fibrous roots. So now we will see some type of trees. This is a jamun tree. We call it blackberry. Its scientific name is ramas. It gets its flowering from March to April, and in rainy season or before that the fruit emerges. So now we will plant a tree to take an initiative, and I hope you all will also enjoy it. So now we are going to plant a tree. This is the seed of the tree. Now first I will dig the soil. Now I will place the seed and put some water in it. So a seed or a plant needs sufficient amount of water, sunlight, soil, nutrients and manure or fertilizer. Now I will close this soil and let it nourish. I hope you all will also take this initiative and plant more and more trees. You can plant it on any day. No need to wait for one Mahotsav or World Environment Day. I would like to end my video with a slogan. Let us nurture the nature to shape a better future. Thank you.